Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we insert a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. So to insert a picture, first I will create a new slide. So I'm gonna click on new slide and here I'll click on insert. As you can see, we have an option here for pictures in this image group. So I'm gonna click on pictures. Now here we have two options. You can import the picture from the device or you can import the picture from any online sources. I'm going to click on insert pictures from this device and here I'm going to select this picture and then click on insert. You can double click on this picture as well to insert the picture. Now here you can use these dots to adjust the size, this dots to adjust the length and this one to adjust the height. If you want to reset the editings, you can click here. In this format tab, you have an option in this adjust group for reset picture. You can rotate this picture from here or you can move this picture by selecting and dragging. Also, you can edit the formats by using this picture style group, range group, size group, and you can also even remove the background by using this remove background option. So this way guys, you can insert a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.